Hi, welcome to Chasing the Sun. On this adventure, we're going to travel up the East Coast, beginning in Key West and ending somewhere in Maine. This is our trip down. We made a few stops along the way. This is Rum Creek Wildlife Management Area. They have dispersed camping that we took advantage of. It's beautiful there. Chattanooga. This is our first city we came into because we started in Kentucky. It's a really nice town. There's a lot of things to see and do. There are a few things we'd like to have done we didn't get to do, like the walking bridge. Ruby Falls is outside of there. We didn't get to do that, so we'll definitely plan another trip back to Chattanooga. So we went to Rembrandt Coffee, which is a really cool little coffee spot here. We walked along the riverfront. This is the art sculpture garden. There are a lot of pathways to walk down by the river. It's beautiful. The Hunter's Art Museum is near the Riverwalk. Then we went to Sonoya, Georgia. This is where they filmed The Walking Dead, because I'm a big fan. The Walking Dead Museum.